New daily coronavirus cases have been on the rise in Washoe County for weeks.
Yeah, and we want to give you a closer look at the new daily cases in the county. As you can see in this graph here, the 7-day moving average in yellow has been rising since early this month. Today, Washoe County added 143 new cases. There were also 95 new recoveries, but the number of active cases rose to a new high of 1,564. The 7-day moving average for new cases reached a new high of more than 127 today. And tonight we have Paul Nelson joining us now live in the newsroom after listening to the state task force's meeting. All right, Paul, what's the latest?
Well, the entire state is seeing higher numbers, Ryan, especially among people in their 20s. Experts say that's leading to more spread in other age groups. Most cases are a result of people going about their daily routines. The surge is also affecting contact tracing efforts at the local level. COVID-19 is surging in Nevada once again. Hospitalizations are on the rise, but not necessarily because of the pandemic. Most are for illnesses, elective surgeries, and injuries.
Even though the positivity rates are increasing, those that require hospitalization are staying relatively stable, with only about 10% of the people in the hospital at this time being there with COVID.
The state has identified more than 24,000 cases through contact tracing efforts. Officials are encouraging people to download the COVID Trace app to help with their investigations.
We've had 8 cases that have had the app downloaded now at the time of their diagnosis, and as a result, 15 exposure notifications have been sent to date.
Washoe County is averaging a high of 127 new cases a day over the last week. That's slowing down the contact tracing efforts.
We're working hard to try to catch up, but with the surging case numbers that we have, we're being overwhelmed with the disease investigation efforts.
The health district is fighting two fronts, preparing for a spike in flu cases and higher rates of COVID.
We're working to provide flu pods to try to maximize the number of people that we can have get vaccinated for the flu this season, and we're working together with the state on planning for dispensing of the COVID-19 vaccinations.
Dick is also encouraging us to limit indoor crowd gatherings to 10 and outdoor gatherings to 25.
I've expressed my concern that I don't think it's with the surge that we're seeing the appropriate time to start having the larger gatherings.
The regional partners are working on a campaign called Mask On, Move On. It promotes mask wearing and social distancing. A specific area of focus includes Hispanics, 20 to 40-year-olds, and older and vulnerable populations. Covering the story live in the newsroom, Paul Nelson, 2 News.